How to get Waterworks token in Monopoly Go. So all you have to do first is to simply launch your Monopoly Go application, locate your album, scroll down, and tap this card quest. So under card quest, if you complete the set, you will win or get the prizes such as 325 dice, 1.8 Monopoly Go money, and a token, which is the what we call Waterworks token. So in order to complete stickers and obtain or get this Waterworks token, what you want to do is to go back to your Monopoly Go game and then start upgrading your properties. Let's just say, for example, if you land on this hotel property, then you might get a sticker pack. Another thing is that you can also go to quick links and participate and complete the set and you may get the sticker pack. As you can see, all you have to do is simply complete this one and get a weekly prize. And what if this is the sticker pack? Also, you can participate in a daily in-game event or tournament, and by participating, you will win or get this sticker pack. So all you have to do is to collect this, and you need to go back to your albums and see if the set is complete, and you will get this water token. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.